Sunday is trusted by thousands of restaurants, from quick service operators through to Michelin-starred venues. Their platform helps restaurants streamline payments, improve service, and create a more seamless experience for their customers. To support their growing customer base, Sunday works with Thomas Leach Colour to produce and fulfill personalised restaurant welcome packs and QR code materials. The process begins when the Sunday team sends an order detailing the restaurant's requirements, artwork, and unique QR code information. A production docket is created, ensuring every element of the order is accurately tracked throughout the manufacturing process. From there, materials move on to production, where QR code cards and supporting printed items are produced at the required specification. Each component is carefully checked before being collated alongside additional branded materials and welcome pack contents. Once assembled, orders are packed and prepared for tracked delivery, ensuring restaurants receive everything they need, ready for immediate use. Through efficient production, fulfillment, and dispatch, TLC helps Sunday deliver a seamless experience from order placement through to arrival at the restaurant. The result is a fast, reliable, and scalable process that supports thousands of hospitality businesses across the UK.